Many medical devices and equipment manufacturers have chosen MRPeasy as their manufacturing software. MRPeasy integrates the sales, materials, and production planning, reporting, procurement, and stock activities into one complete system, which provides great transparency. You can easily manage several sites, thousands of parts and components, different revisions of products, complex bills of materials, whether they are single-level, multi-level, or even parametrical with many variations. You can organize the documentation that goes with each item and more. There are many convenient functions. For example, you can check which products a part is used in, replace a discontinued component with another in selected bills of materials for importing and exporting data, and so on. The intelligent production scheduling and procurement forecasting functions calculate materials requirements and help to make sure you have all needed parts and components ordered and available on time by letting you know when, what, and how much must be ordered. For each part, you can have several vendors, whereas each might have a volume-based pricing mode. Plus, you can seamlessly manage unit of measurement conversions between your stock and your vendors, and much more. For each of your workstations, MRPeasy accurately schedules production operations while considering constraints like capacity, materials availability, and correct order of operations. In addition, the production planner can even use drag-and-drop rescheduling in the visual production calendars and Gantt charts. The various options for real-time online reporting allow your workers to see exactly the right amount of information about each operation and product without needing paperwork. As workers report their progress, they can, in addition to recording start and stop times, track product serial numbers, and even record component serial numbers used in a specific product. Your sales team has an easy tool for managing sales orders, from quotation to delivery, with a real-time overview of the status of an order at any given time. Estimating costs and delivery dates of complex products for a quotation takes only a few seconds, and sending orders to production, shipping, and invoicing at the right time is all performed in one flow. All in all, a business-wide integrated system, together with accurate scheduling, real-time reporting, parts and products traceability functionalities, access permission control, and logging of each user's actions help to satisfy your most demanding customers. In addition, there are many other useful functions like barcoding, quality control, document approval system, and much more, all in one place. The best part is that MRPeasy does not require any installation and servers. You can easily access it from anywhere using your web browser. Streamline your business with MRPeasy. Sign up for your free trial today.